Hi, I'm Patrick Laguenz, the Wine Geek Food Freak. Welcome to another episode. Today I thought I would show you something to do with salmon. Super simple. I got some nice heirloom cherry tomatoes from the local market, garlic, crushed red pepper, parsley, salt, extra virgin olive oil, a little white wine. It's a proper technique and you can have a great meal in a very short period of time. All right, so I got my extra virgin olive oil, nice and hot. Again, I'm gonna do whole clove garlic, a little more rustic kind of feel to it. I'm gonna do 2 cloves. I'm just gonna blend these up. I'm gonna add the crushed red pepper real quick. I like this one a little spicy, so I'm gonna add a couple pinches there. That's on my own predilection right there. I'm gonna add the tomatoes. The tomatoes will actually act as an arresting point. So the garlic and the olive oil will go no longer. They'll get no darker. So it's basically like what I like to call stopping the process. So this is a moment. I like to add the salt here. A little bit of salt here just helps break down those tomatoes. Now that I've gotten those tomatoes just kind of like, just tiny bit softened, I'm gonna add my salmon. I'm gonna put just a pinch of salt on the top. I wanna find a nice spot and move all those tomatoes out of the way, just so I can get like a little crust on that top. Just from a texture standpoint. It's starting to get, see how it's just creamy, kind of that, all that's coming out just from the salt and the tomato right now with the olive oil. So that's really infusing it wonderfully well. In a second here, I'm gonna add a little white wine just to stop the process, but I'm gonna flip my fish real quick. See, we have a nice light crust on there. Looks really good. So now that I've kind of crusted both sides, I'm gonna add the white wine, and then I just reduce from here. You can take the backside of a slotted spoon. See how soft those are? They're just totally crushing down. And this will make an amazing sauce, but still keep some of that texture. That's gonna go great with the penne pasta I'm gonna put in here. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of little parsley in here just because I want a little bit of that, it kind of like has like a little bitter flavor in there that I want. I'm gonna grab my fish, put it right here on a plate. Grab my pasta, drop that right in there. I'm gonna toss this guy right here. All right, so we are there. I'm gonna put the pasta right here on the side. I'm gonna take a little bit of this extra sauce, like that, and we're gonna put it right on top there. And there you have it. Seared salmon, whole roasted garlic, crushed red pepper, extra virgin olive oil, white wine, heirloom cherry tomatoes, and pasta. Parsley. It's as simple as it comes. It's fantastic, and I'm telling you, everybody in the family is gonna love it. Until next time, remember, all you need is good ingredients, some care, and a minute of your time, and you can eat like me, Patrick Laguenz, the Wine Geek Food Freak.